Okay. Uh, Pathophysiology of breast cancer. Mutation inactivates tumor suppressor gene. Usually, we know mutation occurs in our body, cells in our body. The cells are proliferate, cells are growing rapidly. Apart from that mutation, that which this occurs in rapidly. Mutation inactivates DNA repair gene, then mutation of proto oncogenic creates an oncogene. Mutation inactivates several more tumor suppressor genes, and then it may cause for cancer. Uh, Pathogenesis, we have to talk about that. Hereafter also. Um, that cancer does not cause in one night. It may cause in 30 to 210 days. It is uh, dividing day by day. Then it may increase the cells and grow in the cells. Then it can be uh, spread through local lymphatic and bloodstream. It can be spread to the subpectoral nodes, subclavicular nodes, gerontophysical nodes, internal memory nodes, and subclavicular nodes also. And then those metastasis goes to the lungs, liver, bone, then brain, and those parts, etc. Okay. Then this is the pathophysiology. Environment factors, inherited mutation, and hormonal change may also damage or failure of repair of DNA. Then mutation in genome. Then it may cause for plus growth promoting oncogene promoting the cell growth, especially cancer cells growing is increasing. Reduced tumor suppressor gene and by mutation by this and alteration in gene regulating apoptosis, and then decrease apoptosis, and then by plus growth promoting oncogene and reducing tumor suppressor gene may help to unregulated cell proliferation. Unregulated in the mutation usually do the regulated cell proliferation. In these cancer cells, unregulated cell proliferation occurs. Decrease apoptosis, and in unregulated cell proliferation cause for colonial expansion, and then tumor progression, and then malignant neoplasia. Breast carcinoma, there are two types, carcinoma in situ and invasive carcinoma. Carcinoma in situ, ductal carcinoma, lobular carcinoma. Invasive carcinomas are invasive ductal carcinoma, invasive lobular carcinoma, medullary carcinoma, mucinous carcinoma means colloid carcinoma, papillary carcinoma, tubular carcinoma, Paget's disease of the nipple, rare cancers, adenoid cyst, squamous cell, apocrine. Okay, invasive and non-invasive carcinomas. These are the invasive lobular carcinoma, invasive ductal carcinoma, this is ductal carcinoma in situ. History taking. When you are taking history, it is very important to ask about those things: age, lump in breast, mode of onset, duration, rate of growth. Uh, how many? When did you identify this tumor mass? And it has rapidly growth or rapidly large or not. Painful or painless, breast or axillary change, shape or feel hard. Sometimes you may feel hard, orange peel like. The nipple retract no discharge. Then history of irradiation, no malignancy, marital status and menstrual history, family history. Likewise, you have to ask about those things and pain and discomfort, onset duration, intermittent or recurrent, then always association with menses, timing and severity, character of pain, associated symptoms, lump or and discharge, contributing factors, trauma, strenuous activity. Likewise, you can ask about the lump, duration since lump was noted, consistency of lump presence, change in size, location, shape, consistency of lump and mobility, association with menses, tenderness, dimpling, discharge, nipple retraction, tender, limb nodes. Likewise, you have to ask regarding those conditions. Nipple discharge. What is the color of nipple discharge? Yellowish with pus, breast abscess, serious or greenish, or fibrocystic duct ectasia. Likewise, bloody discharge, duct papilloma, carcinoma, milky or galactosile. Likewise, you have to ask regarding nipple discharge. Other symptoms: loss of weight, loss of appetite, bone pain, dyspnea. When those cancer cells spread through three types, it can be spread through lymphatic, local spread, lymphatic spread and bloodstream spread. It can go to the bone, and then bone cancer may occur when goes to the bone pain and pathological factors, dyspnea, jaundice, abdominal pain, distension, fever, breast trauma, breastfeeding history. Likewise, you have to ask those questions regarding cancer, identification of cancer risk factors. Inspection, major points to be noted: breast. You have to inspect. You first of all you have to take in the history, then you have to inspect the breast symmetry, size, shape, edema, feed orange, any visible lump of pungation, skin retraction, erythema, ulceration, nipple retraction, erythema, ulceration, discharge. Likewise, you have to ask regarding those things. Orange peel like this, sometimes very hard, and then retraction of nipple you can see in here. Then fungating carcinoma of breast you can see, sometimes abscess also. Then physical examination, it is very important position of the physical examiner. Later we will discuss how can we